Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah. This is the BMW X6 with the actual rattle noise from this area here. So this is probably like part 5, part 6, I'm not sure. But just want to show you what we've done. I've removed the intake manifold and actually cleaned a lot of soot and dirt from inside the intake manifold. And after that I cleaned the actual inside here. See, inside here is done nice and clean. I haven't finished all of it. It's really hard to clean them. It takes a while to clean it properly. There you go. So you can see the valves nice and silver in there. I've done that side there. I've done that one. So I've got a few things to do to clean it properly, but I just want to start the car up so you can hear that the noise is getting less and less and less and you can't even hear it anymore. Alright, start up. Turn it off. As you can see, if you compare this video to the first video that I done on this car when I first worked on it, there's a dramatic difference in noise and rattle. I can't really hardly hear it. There's a lot of, I've still got to clean it properly. I've got this diesel clean product here. It takes a while to use to clean it, but what you gotta do is you gotta clean, scrape, clean, scrape, clean, scrape, and keep going until it's all nice and clean. But I can tell you right now, the noise and the rattle noise is getting less and less and less, and it's getting better and better. That's why we have to take everything apart and take exhaust apart, take that apart, take the front apart, drive belt apart, the cam cover off, all the injectors off, check the timing chain, I basically checked every single thing on the car before I got them a failed engine. So it takes it takes longer to do, but eventually you find it and you find the problem. All right, so it's looking towards a heavily carboned up pistons and valves. All right, so I've got to clean it, keep cleaning it, and I'll keep cleaning it and a few times until it actually gets better and better. But if you compare this video to the first video I showed before, there's a dramatic difference in the rattle noise. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.